my turn to add the stuff in my mouth, I guess. So, I'm gonna do something.
I'm gonna guess this time again. And
So,
I'm gonna play with
she's
her
gonna
slimes.
get everything wrong.
I know.
'Kay.
I know. I love this 101 Dalmatian slime, by the way. I'm gonna play with my slime that I just made because it's super crunchy. Can't believe I did good. All right, are you starting?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Glue?
Yeah.
White glue. Guys, comment down below if I'm right. Am I right about the white glue? She never uses white glue. I guess I want to be wrong today. She always likes clear glue. Also comment down below if you like the slime I just made. It's super stretchy.
Okay, what do you think of adding it now?
I did it good for once.
Activator or baking soda?
So proud of myself. Activator. Yes, you're next. My son wants to play with his stuffed animals, so we're gonna play with him next. Because he's waiting patiently like a good boy. All right, what are you adding? You're adding add-ins?
Yeah.
Blue glitter. No fruit.
I'm adding another add-in. Well, Mama,
Are you doing fish balls?
what is the No, it's glitter still.
Because we're blocking, so I can't see what she's making, and I have to guess what it is. Do you want to guess?
I know what it is.
Oh,
Mommy, where's my
don't tell
spoon?
me! Don't tell me! Poop! Knock me out with the straw.
Ooh. Baba, you can't tell her.
He won't tell me. All right, what are you adding in? Are you adding in fruitsies or?
I'm
glitter?
adding activator or shaving cream.
Here, Bubba, you come sit with me.
Ew.
You want to play? Look at this one I just made. It's super stretchy. And it's not sticky. Can you believe Mom made a good slime for once? Isn't that cool? And this is the 101 Dalmatian slime.
I made
Because
it.
it's black and white. Sissy made this one. It's kind of slippery.
Why is it for you?
Huh?
And then why is it for you?
Why is it for me? What? What? You think she's done? She thinks she saw it? Oh, I already made that one. Okay, so she is making a white glue slime with...
Hey!
I'm not
Baba,
looking.
you're telling her!
No, he didn't tell me once. He doesn't know. You don't know, right? So white glue slime with blue sparkles and fruitsies.
What do you think I'm adding it now?
Are you ready for the reveal?
No, I'm not even close for the reveal.
Why not? You're adding more stuff? What, baking soda?
I need a hole.
More activator?
It's dropping.
Yeah, it's dropping. What are you doing over there? I never know what she's doing over there.
Yeah, look at a picture.
We can't see.
Mom, look at
Whoa, wow, 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 wow. It's like Rapunzel's tower. It's like her hair.
This is way bigger than the pencils.
Yeah, think so.
It's longer.
Do you like slime? You can learn how to make slime too.
It's a hot. Is this a hot dog?
It could be whatever you want it to be.
It's
What are you doing over there? Are you almost done?
It's not even close. Mama.
What is she doing, guys?
Mama.
Comment down below. I don't know what she's doing. I want to know.
Mama.
What?
It's a snake. It's a snake.
It looks like a snake for sure. Are you putting more add-ins?
No. I think she is.
Are you trying to unstick it?
Yes.
We can still see it when it's sticky. I had a lot of activator to mine. Maybe that's why it's like the way it is. I just guessed. I didn't even measure it.
Now it's a big ball.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big ball. Squish this big ball.
Squish it.
Hey, finally, almost done.
Are we ready for the big reveal? Drum roll. Oh my goodness.
I actually added clear and white glue.
Oh, you trickster. What is in it? It's so cool. It looks like a bubbly slime. That's so pretty. Wait, what did you put in here? Fruitsies?
No.
What is that?
I added a little bit of this.
Oh, some pink sparkles.
Uh-huh.
And what else?
Added
Some glitter?
white
Oh,
flakes.
silver glitter.
Yep.
So pretty. I never knew you would have made this one. And it's super stretchy. Wow, you killed it. Good girl.
Look at all
Good
this.
job. Look at hers is stretchier than mine. Wow. What do you guys think? Who has the better slime? They're both amazing.
But let me have a bubble test.
We are not in a competition. We support each other.
Let me
and lift
do
each
a
other up.
bubble
But
first.
we just want to know what you guys
I gotta do a bubble first. Oh, mine has lots of holes
We
in
won't
it.
be offended if you don't like ours.
Because it has.
Ooh, baby. How do you get it to crackle?
So, to
Dude.
get it to crackle, you have to do
gosh.
this. So,
This one
It's
right
slippery.
here.
yeah, I made that one.
Oh my gosh, he says.
So, you guys.
It's watery, he says. He doesn't do. Oh, okay. So you just have to spread it like this.
So it's still clear, Mom, because I added clear glue, and it's white colored because I added white glue. So.
I like the crackles. Snap,
Mama,
crackle,
You
pop.
said this was
All right, guys. We will see you next time. Comment down below if you guys like when we do these mystery reveal slimes, because we can do some more videos if you like them. Or
Wait,
if you guys want us
I
to
can
do
do one with against Bubba.
Oh, but he doesn't know how to make slime.
No, like he has to guess what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys. So let us know if you like these videos and want us to do more.
Mommy,
Comment
you
down.
tell
Maddie,
me
I'm
if
trying
it's-
to tell them
Mommy,
something.
you tell me if he's peeking.
It's rude to interrupt people. We shouldn't do that. But anyway, comment down below if you want to. Let's try this for a third time. Comment down below if you'd like us to do the mystery slime or mom versus daughter challenge, where we put this in between and it's a mystery on what each other is making. Let us know what you want, guys, and we can help you out by doing it.
Bubba, you want to do it with me? Yeah, you gotta guess what I'm making.
We will see you next time on Mad About Slime. You were supposed to chime in for that. Can we try that again? We'll see you next time on Mad About Slime. You're supposed to say slime with me. Take 3.
Oh!
We'll see you next time on Mad About Slime. Greg, can you help me?
Squidward!
Oh my-
Squidward!
This is her channel, and she
St.
can't even.
Patrick Day. No.
It's your channel, and you can't even help me out, man.
Mad about slime. Squidward. Squidward.
We love slime.
SpongeBob.
What? We don't even watch SpongeBob. Yes. All right, guys, we gotta clean up. See ya.
Squidward.
Oh, we up.